In this video, we'll look at question 36 from the 2017 exam.
So here we have a bar which is pivoted at one end and it weighs 60 kilos. So I wrote down 600 newtons for the gravitational force, and it acts in the middle of the bar, which has length 4 meters. This bar is held in equilibrium. The force F, which acts at the other end than at which the bar is pivoted, at an angle 60 degrees to the horizontal. When we say equilibrium, we should immediately think balance of torques. So here's a reminder of the definition of torque. It's the distance from the pivot times the perpendicular force. So there's different ways of writing this as a cross product or with a sine theta or cosine theta, but it's always the length times the projection of the force in the perpendicular direction. So if the total torque has to be 0, then the one torque, that means from the gravitational force, 600 newtons times 2 meters, so only halfway through the bar. And then in the other direction, 4 meters for the distance, times the force in the, what I would call y direction, that's F times sine 60. The projection into this direction, times sine 60. And when we rearrange this equation for F, which we are supposed to find, and further simplify, we see that we get 300 over sine 60, and we're not supposed to evaluate that, we're supposed to leave it like that, and this was one of the options given in the exam, and it was option E.